Okay, here we are. This is the side angle. I don't know if this thing can fly or not, but my Venmo, my Cash App, some money in here already. I'm snatching it out as soon as it goes in. From this angle, I'm setting down low too. Turn this light on. Nah, let me see. And the amp is facing backwards. I can do this. You know, if they let me work like this, if they pay me for this, I can do this. I can sit here and play with the synthesizer. Wait till I get that the new Yamaha, the Modi X M. Please subscribe.